Welcome back to Smack It Golf. I guess really today is just going to be a range day for us. We're going to show you guys our clubs, what we use, what are we most comfortable of, what's our favorite clubs and whatnot. We're just going to show you a little bit of B-roll on our shots, really. Yeah, what we did was we played a little 2-ball each hole. There's about 4 pins in each. Oh yeah, 4 pins out there in range, and
they're ranging about maybe 75, 120, 175, and maybe like 200, something like that.
And then we'll be going over here doing a little putting challenge as well. So this is what our video is going to be for today, really. So I hope you guys enjoy. You got it.
That's a hard check, huh?
You got one.
Pretty good kick. Oh, that's good.
Oh.
I don't know if I can beat that one.
One on one.
No. It's not to the white flag.
We'll use a smooth 9-iron. That was good.
Keep pulling it. Pulling it, pushing with the backhand.
Oh. I just pulled it, yeah. I guess I got one. Get there.
Turning up a little bit.
Yeah, this is a second turn. You're up by 2.
Yeah, my teeth still. Alright.
I forgot to let you guys know we are at the links at Sierra Blanca in Ruidoso. There's usually like pickleball ball and little soccer course, little football course over here, little dog park. It's a pretty nice golf course. Damn it.
Things you can do here with your family, especially if you have kids. Tennis courts, baseball field. There's a playground on the other end, there's a putting green, chipping area. You got a driving range and a full 18 course.
I guess it's like a sports center really for Rito, so it's pretty nice. Do you want to go first with your clubs?
Yeah. Most of my irons, or almost all my irons, are going to be the TaylorMade burners. I got 2 different clubs. 5 and 3 full Nike Sasquatch. My Taylor Tommy Armour was a 56. That's what I mainly use. Try to have my flop shots and everything. My putter is going to be Lucky. Brand Lucky. Pretty good. I have a driver. Well, everybody has a driver. My driver is the Callaway Rogue. Then my other 2 clubs are going to be the TaylorMade burners, 5 and 3 wood. So those are my clubs.
What kind of balls do you usually play with?
Usually I like to play with the TaylorMade TP5X picks or the Callaway soccer balls. I mean, I like TaylorMades, I like Nikes, whatever. Whichever one I can get my hands on, I'm playing.
Oh yeah. Alright, so what I use is a lot of Cobras and stuff. My iron sets are the Cobra F-Max Superlights. It goes down from a 5 to a gap wedge, which is like a 50 to 52. My 56 is a Cleveland CG14. I kind of like it. It's pretty good. It's real light on the head. It doesn't feel heavy or anything. But I kind of hardly use it because it's not really kind of hard for me to still hit it still. I got the Cobra King Speed Zone, a little 3-4 hybrid. I got my Cobra Speed Zone fairway 3 to 4. I usually keep it on -1 degrees just to help me not draw it so much or anything. And then my driver is Cobra Speed Zone Extreme. Same thing, I keep it at -1 degree on my shaft just to help me not really draw it so much. Then I have my Cleveland Huntington Beach. Works pretty good. It's kind of real forgiving and everything whenever you hit it weird or something. And then the balls that I play with are, I usually play with Vice. That's what I usually play with, or I think I have a couple TaylorMade. They usually feel pretty good off the head and everything. They help me at least drive a little bit better. They're real soft. And then I have my just a little rangefinder. So Blue Tees. It's pretty good. Like it. It's kind of accurate here and there. The only thing that I kind of really don't like about it is that whenever you have the window or something up, the cards, they don't really read well. But other than that, it's pretty good.
Shoot, if you were to be sponsored by one of these major brands, like these golfing brands, what would you want to be sponsored by?
Probably Cobra.
Cobra?
Yeah, they're just very, I guess they're kind of like the underdogs, I guess, in the golf club industry, because you really mostly hear about like Payne, Callaway, or TaylorMade. So I think Cobras are pretty good. Plus that they really do have good golf clubs and stuff. So that's what I kind of hope for.
I like TaylorMades.
TaylorMades.
Style, pretty forgiving. Everybody that I look up to, golf world, they're TaylorMade too. So.
Oh yeah.
Let's go with the simple iron here, I guess.
All right. Well, since Jeremiah won the 2 balls pin challenge, he's gonna go ahead and go first on our little chipping and putting. kind of sucks because all of these are like all at a straight line, so there's not really anywhere else we can go. But we're gonna try and move as much as we can. We're gonna
Go for that far one.
the far one. We're gonna do about 10 of them. That's a good one. Keep going.
Alright, DeAndre Babes up next.
Keep aiming up too high. Just keep rolling.
That'll work.
Oh!
Better than mine.
Yeah, I'll pick that one.
Alright. Alright, next we got our special guest.
We got our little special guest here, Lyndon. He's my girlfriend's little brother. He's just going to be hanging out with us today. Just a little harder.
You got it, babe. Yeah, I got happy because it said babe again. Alright.
You're going the wrong way. Just a little bit more to the right. That's not bad.
This is for the win. I think the back hits about 8 yards. So D with the lead. Alrighty, D took the lead. He's one up. We're gonna go down here. Hey, can you grab my wedge for me too? Yeah. Set it on my back. Alright, D's up.
So we're gonna go ahead and go to that middle flag right there.
That's a middle flag. Number 8. It's not bad.
A little bit more.
Oh, that's a little bit more.
Alright, so Jeremiah's turn.
I don't.
Oh, that was a good ball. Good ball. We got Mr. Lyndon up here.
Lyndon is coming off his PGA retirement.
Yep. Used to play with Tiger Woods, he said.
He said I was Tiger Woods.
Wasn't a bad hit. Oh, that's good. Nice hit.
Alright, that one's out a little further out. Not bad, not bad. Slow down, ball. Oh, that'll work. We got Master Bean over here. Hey, Bugs.
Yeah, that's just a little.
Stupid. Good distance. So if I make this, I win.
So this is for him just tied up with me. So Jeremiah tied that hole up. We just got to see where we're going. Right now it's just even.
Right on top of it.